So yesterday I 3D printed this pixelated snowball maker so I could make a pixelated snowman. But then that got me thinking, could I turn this into an attachment for the RC Excavator? That way it could crank out snowballs and snowmen. So I hopped into CAD and added the quick swap attachment plate to one half of the snowball maker and modified the thumb to be the other half. It was a little tricky to get everything lined up so that both halves came together properly, but after a couple attempts, I got it right. Printing it out and cleaning the parts, I attached it to the excavator and started cranking out snowballs, which then progressed to building a snowman, or at least an attempt to build a snowman.